You sit down to study, and 5 minutes later, you're on your phone. Why is focusing so hard now? In today's world, focus is rare. The ability to concentrate on one thing for a long time is basically a superpower, and the people who have it, they get more done, faster and better. The biggest reason you can't focus is something called scattered focus. That's when your attention is divided between multiple things, like studying, checking your phone, thinking about something else, all at the same time. And your brain, it's constantly switching between tasks. That wastes mental energy and kills productivity. Now compare that to directed focus. That's when you focus on one thing, like a laser. No distractions, no switching. This is how top performers work. One task, full attention. The biggest enemy of focus, your phone. Social media, notifications, short videos. They train your brain to expect constant stimulation. Even when your phone is silent, your brain is still distracted. That's why studying feels boring, because your brain is used to instant dopamine. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Focus is not something you're born with. It's a skill, and like any skill, it can be trained. 1. Remove distractions. Put your phone away, not beside you. Out of reach, because even small distractions destroy focus. 2. Focus on one task. Stop multitasking. Your brain can't actually do multiple things at once. It just switches fast, and that drains energy. 3. Use time blocks. Try working in short sessions, like 25 minutes of full focus, then a short break. This keeps your brain fresh and productive. 4. Take care of your body. Sleep, exercise, and hydration matter more than you think. If your body is tired, your brain won't focus. 5. Practice daily. Focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. So the reason you can't focus isn't because you're lazy. It's because your attention is being pulled in every direction. But if you take control of it, focus becomes your biggest advantage. Subscribe, Nerdy Zane, to understand more fast.